What's going on YouTube? We are back with another one. Alright guys, that wraps up another day in these markets and that kickstarts a brand new month. Now some of you would have heard of the September effect, or that September is typically bad for stocks. Now history and the stats say this is true. Over time we've seen major indices, the Dow, the Nasdaq, the S&P down on the month of September about 0.5%. This is due to shifts in season. That's nothing for you guys to worry about, and we are bringing our A game for the entire month of September. That being said, in this drop I want to regroup with you in a couple of plays, give you guys some updates and some moves to be making over the rest of the week and the following. Okay, so make sure you guys hit that like button for me, get yourself ready for an action-packed one. Let's jump into the first play. Now before I get going, I want to give a big shout out to all of those in our shipping plays. It's been a successful day. So whether you're in Zim, whether you're on Danaos, things have been good. So check this, ticker symbol DAC, I am holding over 400, returned several thousand, and we've not even yet hit that price target. The strength of the industry, the tailwinds remain there, so things are looking good. I'm looking forward to the continual success that we will have on our plays. Now guys, it's a new month, so make sure you're hitting that top link in the description, tapping into the Discord so you're up on the moves that we make and you're setting yourself up for success. I want to see all the team win. So I'm going to kick things off with ticker symbol IIPR, that's Innovative Industrial Properties. Now this has been one of our phenomenal performers over the last couple of months. Check that 3-month performance, this one's up 35%. What we've got here is a REIT, so it's going to be different to your usual growth plays that are out there on the market. This one is all about high levels of profitability, stable and predictable cash flows, and as I say, phenomenal performance to go with. Now, they can still move higher as we continue over the next couple of months. So the move of this play is that you guys want a dollar cost average into the play on red days. So when you see this one, if it's 2% down a day, 1.5%, even 1%, that's an opportunity for you to grab some stock at those cheaper levels, all right? Because of the fundamentals and the strength in the business model, this is one, as I say, that can continue to tick upwards over the next couple of months, and I don't want you guys to miss out. Next up, I've got ticker symbol PENN, that's PENN National Gaming. Now earlier in the week I told you guys about ticker symbol CZR, that's C's Entertainment. You know, the move of that play, that one's hovering around that $100, but I want to circle back with you on this play. Now, not long ago, only a couple of sessions, we saw this one in the mid 60s. I know a lot of you thought this one was dead and gone, but it's these types of plays, right? Good fundamentals, good business models that can catch you by surprise. That's why we were buying all the way down. Now this one's standing $81. Really and truly, this should be a play that is above $100 at this level. Given what they've done in their last quarter, given guidance moving forward, this is a strong business for you to have in your portfolio. Now this one does it differently to their competition because they own their own media, they own bar stools. So this acts as a funnel with hundreds of millions of potential users for their platform. So as I say, they've got strength in their business model. It's very unique, and if you guys want to get in on the action, you're looking to get this one under $80. All right, so be on the lookout. Have that price tag right now standing $81. If you catch them 79, 78, those are the types of levels that you want to get back in the play. I know some of you guys already got a position in this one, but as we continue through the rest to close out the year, this is one I'm expecting to close out the year above $100, around that $110 mark, and then over time they will reclaim that 52-week high territory that we saw of about $140 at the beginning of this year, sometime next year. So phenomenal return potential, not only on C's Entertainment, but also on PENN National as well. The next play I've got for you, that's ticker symbol AMD, that's Advanced Micro. Now right now, as you guys know, we're going for a semiconductor shortage that's impacting many different industries, from the gaming industry to the automobile industry. But it's the quality chip makers that are positioned well to benefit off that moving forward. That's why we are talking about ticker symbol AMD. Right now, they're standing $110 off the back of a dip from the $120 mark just a couple of weeks ago. So it's an opportunity to accumulate around these types of levels. As always, make sure you guys have got firepower on the sidelines ready to deploy if you get cheaper prices, because cheaper prices can always emerge. If this one drops down to the low hundreds, that 105, 104, there's still a buy. Now the theme across the board for all of these plays is they're doing very well financially. These are powerhouses pumping out high levels of profitability, good margins, as I say, excelling as businesses. So that's why I'm excited about this one and their prospects. Speaking of which, I'm expecting them to close out the year at that $130 mark. Several tailwinds to push it up there, and this plays the potential to be a multi-year winning play. So you're not only going to win 2021, 2022, I'm expecting to be a stellar year for investors in this one as well. Not to mention, they are progressing with that acquisition that should be wrapped up around December this year, which allows them to expand into different verticals away from that gaming space as well. Again, just making this a powerhouse play and putting them in a very competitive standpoint versus the peers in the market, right? Next up, that's ticker symbol NUE, that's Nucor. Last but not least, this is a phenomenal steel play, my favorite at that, and I'm excited by the prospect of this one reaching our buy zone. That's under $115. So keep your eyes peeled for the play at those types of levels over the next couple of sessions. Right now, this one's on a cool down period off their 52-week high. We saw a couple of sessions back around that $127, $128 mark. So the idea is to build in the play once they hit the buy zone under $115 to get ready for the upside. The commodity space has been a major winning lane for us over the last couple of months. You should see some of the numbers we are posting up on some of our commodities plays over at the Discord. And as we continue forward, we're going to continue to see strength in the area, benefit in these plays, and we are going to capitalize on those opportunities. So I just want to flag this one as the last play I've got for you guys. Ticker symbol NUE, phenomenal steel play that you guys want to ensure you are aligned to in your portfolio. So I know a ton of you guys already up the numbers in the play, but just because you hit amazing success in the play doesn't mean you can't hit some more. Right? It's all about valuation, it's all about tailwinds, it's all about future prospects of the play. As I say, we're going to continue to dominate and crush it with this one. Alright guys, so those are the plays I got from this one and the moves to make with. Now if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. Any updates on ticker symbol GRWG, that's Grow Generation. Alright guys, so this is one of our plays still on the low at the moment, and we know they post up good earnings, the market threw them off the cliff unfairly, so they want to dip. Now what you can start to see is a slow rebound in that stock price, alright, slow and steady. As I told you guys, I'm expecting to play to be down for about a month, similar to how high tide was, so just let them collect and you guys can continue to accumulate in moderation at these types of levels. Don't let your concentration in the play get too high. And then just a word of advice for you guys is once the play starts to tick up, you can go ahead and take in and lock in some profits, right? Doesn't have to get all the way back or even hit, all-time 52-week highs. If it moves up 10, 15%, remember you can lock in those levels of profit from the action that you took of just buying in the dip and it making that rebound. All right, some of the easiest money you can make in the markets is by buying into weakness on strong conviction plays, and when they rebound, you'll net those returns on the way back up. All right guys, that wraps up for this one. If you've got any questions for me, drop them down below and I'll get back to you. So I appreciate you guys. On your way out, make sure you guys like that comment section for me. If you're new, join the movement, and I'll catch you on the next one.